Giants, the San Miguel Beermen. Good evening and welcome to our post-game press conference. I'm joined by our head coach, Coach Willie Wilson. Congratulations, Coach Willie.
Thank you.
Coach, this is also your first win as head coach of Phoenix. How significant was the way the team won, leading almost the entire game and beating the defending champions?
Well, I mean, it's very significant, even without talking about it's very significant even without talking about the 10-game losing streak. It's just, knowing that we have the ability to be the champion team like SMB. You kind of get into that rut of man, what's good, what bad thing is going to happen next. So really for the players to actually know that this team is capable, that's it.
Coach, we also saw a change in the second half effort coming from the loss of the previous game. Today there was a sense of making sure you close this out. How would you like to see the players take their experiences from today in your upcoming preparation?
Okay, then, so ano sinabi mo about the second half? Hindi ko narinig, sorry.
We saw a change in the second half effort compared to the last
effort already
that you had. Today there was a sense of making sure that you close this out. How would you like to see the players take their experiences from today in your upcoming preparations?
Siyempre, as a coach, gusto ko na mag-react sila kahit hindi ko sumisigaw. Sumigaw ako kanina, ayoko maging ganyan. Pero, siyempre pag the moment calls for it. Kaya kinausap ako ni H sa practice isang araw. Kasi close kami nung wala pa.
Since I was in grade school.
Grade school pa to, nakilala ko na to. Tatay niya coach ko, pero so we're very close. And lumapit siya sa akin. Tapos sinabi niya, Coach, do you think that you should shout more? Sabi ko, hindi mo na ako ganyan. Pero he really responded to that. When the time calls for it, that you think you should. So, syempre as a first-time head coach, malaki yan sa akin because for him to come up to me and make a suggestion like that takes bravery. So, I really thought about it and I felt really that the time called for it. So, the sense of urgency coming out of the second half, more than me shouting at them, I think it was them and they were winning, and the camaraderie that they have as a team.
Thank you, Coach Willie. Now we would like to open the floor for friends from the press.
Coach, congratulations. Now that you have this first victory, nakakaya ka na ba o there's still that adjustment period?
I think the adjustment doesn't stop. Tuloy-tuloy yung adjustment. Pinakita namin kanina is just, a small portion of yung gusto namin labas sa court. The team is relatively new. We have 7 new guys. So these guys are still learning how to get the best out of each other. I'm still learning how to get the best out of them and also trying to find the best in me as well.
Coach, when the schedule came out and it said TNT and San Miguel yung first 2 games mo, what was your reaction? And did you kind of expect na rin na at least you get to win at least one dito sa yung stretch na yun?
Siyempre, gusto namin makuha lahat ng game. Pero wala naman expectations as far as we need to win 1, we need to win 2, or we can't lose both. Ako na-excite ako talking text and San Miguel. Not because they're really, really strong teams, but because I played for both coaches. Coach Chuck was my coach when I played for San Miguel. And then Coach Leo was my coach when I was in the BBL playing for World Cup. He actually owe a lot of me being in the PBA to him. the schedule, I looked at it as a great opportunity to, when the master meets the student, parang ganun, something. So, no expectations as far as wins or losses, just let's play our best and let's continue to grow. I don't want us to be the same team that we were yesterday and today.
Ricky, nung halftime you're up by 10, ang ganda nung second quarter, but then the third, you think ka San Miguel come back at you guys were able to hold it off. Paano ba na yun?
Actually, medyo nakita ko rin yung situation kasi I wasn't really there at the time. Pero, ang nakikita ko lang is, syempre, we were up nga, diba, during the first half. So, sometimes there are times teams tend to relax starting the second half. And I think that's really what happened during that stretch. Pero, again, yung eagerness lang din talaga namin to really get this win. Again, first, to give Coach Willie his first win, win, diba? And also, yun nga, gusto namin na-start talaga dapat itong conference na with a win. And we weren't able to do that in the first game. So, that's what happened after.
Kumusta yung you were hurting nung mga final seconds, pero you were able to come up with the speed we take from Evan Davis seconds.
No, I got hit on my left cheek, left butt cheek. Yeah, so medyo nagulat lang din ako. And medyo hindi ko siya ma-step at the time. No, I can't. Kasi it was recover fast. Then yeah, yun lang, nagpasab ako kasi, I mean, I don't wanna be medyo pabigat dun sa last seconds, diba? I mean, we were up good naman, I think, by a couple of 4 points, or something like that. Pero, yung gusto ko lang din manalo, so sabi ko, mina lang para healthy na sila.
Vicky, what prompted you to, follow up mo na sinabi ni Coach Willie about speaking to him, magalit naman siya. What prompted you to say that to Coach Willie?
I mean, I've seen him since I was, I don't know, as in super bata pa po ako nun. And nakikita ko na siya ever since. I do look up to this guy so much. Palagi siyang sinasabi ng dad ko na like a good example sa team and all that. Kaya nakatingin din kami ng brothers namin sa kanya growing up, like, while watching their practices before. And also, hindi ko nga siya masyado nakikita sumisigaw talaga. I think the whole stay ko sa Phoenix once lang, ever since. And then, yeah, hindi pa siya head coach nun. But then, yun, sabi ko lang, I mean, I wouldn't mind, diba, if sisigawan ka kasi if lahat naman tayo gusto nating manalo, diba? Just listen to the thought, not how we live the message.
Coach, yung gigs naman ninyo, what can you say naman na I think they went toe-to-toe naman ni Junmar, tabla kayo sa rebounds ng San Miguel.
Siyempre, masaya ako na we're bigger this conference. We brought in Yusuf Taha. I think Yusuf gave me 26 minutes. We brought in Prince Cabral, gave me 18 minutes. Prince was on fire in that first half. Yusuf for his energy and his spirit, the sense of urgency that he brings, the communication and leadership that both bigs bring. I was teammates with both of those guys, so I'm very familiar with them. And I just challenged them, and they challenged themselves and each other to really bring it against Jumar. There's no big in the league that can stop Jumar. He's stuck in Jumar. So, for them to just, kind of provide, a roadblock or guide pumps lang. So just to slow him down, it worked. So I mean, we came up they came away with the win. He still had 19 points and 22 rebounds, 11 offensive rebounds, but they stuck with it. They sila na discouraged, and then they kept on playing.
Richie, kaya yung first game na natin si Prince. So can you just talk about na yung nagdarating na kayo sa PBA?
Oh yeah, I think today was a good day. Also my dad, UP, congrats to UP, congrats to Prince. But I really want to congratulate Prince kasi we haven't played here. So I'm looking forward to that. I mean, yes, we're brothers, I'm happy for him, pero I still need to, I think, focus dito pa rin. Pero yeah, again, congrats to him, pero yun nga, mas kailangan pa namin siguro pagtulan ng budget yung growth ng team.
Okay.
No more questions. We thank you, Coach Willie Wilson and President of the Ministry for the time. Final score, 1-3 panalo po ang Phoenix laban sa San Miguel Viernes. Ingat po sa pag-uwi at sa mga nanonood. Good night. We'll see you around.
May bayad yan. Ingat yan. Thank you, Coach. Congrats.
Coach, thank you.